Bushes and shrubbery are usually fairly easy to trim back.
Right.
But what we're dealing with today is we're obstructing the air conditioner with the house. Okay, well here we are. We're in the outdoor portion of the job, and again we're kind of wanted to point out a few things that we're going to correct from the previous installation for the new installation. As you can see, the unit here is literally inches from the house. I need to get back there with a screwdriver to take the cover off the electrical panel if I'm here servicing the air conditioner. Over time, what happens is the unit will settle and drop closer to the house. Now down here, however, they really put it quite close to the house anyway. We'd already started taking the electrical box off here. But as you can see, it has settled down into the house there where it's practically touching the house. And so you can see where we've cleared space out. We've pulled away all the pea gravel, and we're going to bring in buckets of regular rock, crushed rock, and set a new foundation for our new air conditioner. It's going to be sitting up here a number of inches higher, and then we'll put all the landscaping back. You'll never know that it was up against the house here, but we need proper clearances. You know, back there you can see where when they installed it, it was really close, and now over time it's gotten worse. And an air conditioner, you almost roll your eyes if you're a service technician going, how in the world am I simply going to take the service panels off so I can work on the air conditioner, let alone replace a component or something like that. Plus just the efficiency. You know, how much air are we really, you know, we've almost taken away 25% of our condenser coil because it's up against the house. You know, there's no way we're getting airflow through it. So it's not only going to look better, it's going to be easier to take care of, and it's going to work a lot better.